Ladies and gentlemen and dear students, it is the time to introduce my guest and call her on stage, the queen who can even talk and help us develop a brand of our own. Who could be better than Miss Priya Kumar, Indian writer and motivational speaker. Miss Priya Kumar is today India's #1 motivational speaker and best-selling author of 14 inspirational books that have won 42 international awards so far. In her speaking career spanning over 25 years, Ms. Priya has worked with over 2,000 plus MNCs across 47 countries so far and transformed the lives of over 3 million people through her personal breakthrough sessions and highly curated power talks, a glimpse of which I think we're all going to get today in few minutes. In her collection of 14 best-selling books, Ms. Priya has also written the biography of late Sri O.P. Munjal, the founder of the Hero Group. At the moment, Ms. Priya is penning the biography of Pulela Gopichand, the chief national badminton coach, the man behind world champions such as P.V. Sindhu, Saina Nehwal, Srikanth, Kashyap, and many others. Ms. Priya's fifth inspirational book, I Will Go With You, has been made into a web series, The Final Call, a glimpse of which we've seen. I'm sure you people must have seen it earlier as well. The Calling, her eighth book, made it to #1 bestseller in France, and the French media also called Ms. Priya Kumar the Paulo Coelho from India. Ms. Priya has also been awarded by the Times of India Speaking Tree Good Karma Award as India's best inspirational author in India. And I don't think so. I should take a second more before we call her on stage and hand over the session and platform to her. We would like to welcome Ms. Priya Kumar on the stage, please. Can we please have the memento for her? The platform is all yours, ma'am. Thank you.
So, thank you, Ravi sir, for inviting me. It's a pleasure. I tell you, it is just so nice to see young faces with masks. वो ठीक नहीं है, but it's okay. All right, you can please keep wearing them. So my name is Priya Kumar. You saw my introduction, you heard it. ऐसा है नहीं. You know, ये सब काम है, देखने में बहुत अच्छा लगता है. So I will chat with you for say about an hour and a half, 2 hours. Is that okay? Not that you had any choice, yeah? But it's good to ask for permission. Okay? और ऐसा नहीं है कि I'm going to stand here and give you a bhashan and give you a lecture. Okay? I will tell you a story, my story, and then I'll also make you do an activity. फिर आप देखिए आपने क्या सीखा. Okay? Because lectures don't work, right? Especially after lunch. है ना? And आपने तो बहुत सुने हुए हैं. And see, if you are a student today, you've been studying, no? Hey, everyone say yes. It was a trick question. You have been studying. तो अगर आपने lecture सुने हैं ना, तो by now, at the age of 15, 16, how old are you all? Chalo, 16 to 18, 19, okay? By now you've heard enough lectures to have mastered the art of sleeping with your eyes open when somebody talks. ये naturally आ जाता है. कितना time कोई सुनेगा, right? So I know all the tricks that you know. The trick to knowing who is sleeping is first they are smiling a lot. So those of you who are smiling extra, I know I have lost you 5 minutes ago. Okay, और फिर I know that you are sleeping because what will happen is, so see that boy there is smiling so much. वो जो colorful check mask है, हाँ. What's your name, sir? हाँ? आदित्य. तो मुझे कैसे पता कि आदित्य को मैं खो चुकी हूँ, कि आदित्य सो चुके हैं? Because when I stand and talk here, he's still smiling there only. So if I move on stage, it is also to see if your eyes are moving. So if your eyes stop, I might have to come down the stage and maybe pinch your shoulder and wake you up. So chaliye, 1.5 to 2 hours I will spend with you. Now I have an agenda. I have written it here already to save some time, and I'll tell you what my talk is going to be about. Okay? Because I believe that you all have come here. Sudhir, what you could do is, you could just The others you could move here. All right. Okay, you can do it later when I'm talking. All right. So my agenda is, see, you have joined this institute and not a regular college because you really are interested in becoming somebody in the future. Yes? Is that what your dream is? सपने तो होंगे तभी यहाँ आए हैं. Otherwise you would have joined a regular college. And if your dreams, you have seen them, then building your brand is important. Isn't that true? How many of you are on social media? Let me see. Okay, let me ask, how many of you are not on social media? Then only Ravi sir will raise his hand. You're also there. Okay, so 2 people. So you have understood that Baba, bina brand banaye, you cannot reach the dream that you want to reach. Okay, and it does not start when you go out of college. It starts now. Okay, then how to be an entrepreneur. See, it is good to have choices. Okay, of course, a lot of you will go and get high-flying jobs. All right, but job ऐसा है जितना बोलेंगे उतना करो. Or you be an entrepreneur mindset. You will see the people you admire, कहीं ना कहीं उन्होंने काम तो किया है और काम ऐसा कमाल का किया कि वो काम से बड़े बन गए and they became businessmen and they became entrepreneurs. But that is a mindset. It's not about the money or the business idea. It's about how you think. And if you can develop from now entrepreneur mindset, फिर जाके देखो सपने, वो मुंगेरी लाल वाले नहीं, सच के सपने. See, I don't know if you all were born in that मुंगेरी लाल time. So I'm going to give you a lot of research work. All right, so please write, look up Mungeri Lal. Okay, so that is your homework to do. You will be amused. All right, now being future ready. Okay, please understand the future will come, पर आप तैयार हैं क्या? Already you have learned that life has changed so much in the past 1.5 years, correct? And life is going to change at rocket speed. So being ready that whenever the opportunity comes and says, okay, कौन आएगा stage पे? You raise your hand. When will you raise your hand and say me? When you are ready. And some do's and don'ts that I have learned in life. Okay, so this is my agenda for the next 1.5 to 2 hours. Now, before I start, I'd like to put some rules. Are you all okay with rules? Okay, so my first rule is you all will smile. See, ऐसा नहीं है कि मास्क पहने तो दिख नहीं रहा, आँखों में दिखता है. And some of your eyes look sleepy. All right, so you will smile. Is that okay? Let me see. Smile under your mask also, I can tell. All right, okay, that's very good. Now, second is that you will volunteer. So, देखो, मैं आपसे सवाल पूछूंगी कि आपके साथ ऐसा हुआ है. What do you think? And I have an activity for you, and I'll be inviting you on stage. I'll say I need 2 volunteers on stage. So, whenever I say no, I need a volunteer, everybody starts looking at the ceiling or the carpet. उन्हें ऐसा लगता है कि अगर वो मुझे देख नहीं रहे तो मुझे वो दिख नहीं रहे. Okay, तो फिर क्या होगा? I will have to call you only, Ravi sir, because you are sitting right in front. Okay, then Ravi sir will say, मुझे थोड़ा काम है, मैं आता हूँ. Yeah, so I will pick both of you girls. Then they'll be upset, मुझे क्यों बुलाया? Now my expectation is, when I say I need a volunteer, all of you should raise your hand enthusiastically and say me. ठीक है? तो चलो, for example, I need a volunteer. Look at this, some enthusiastic, kids saying me, others are all lazy. Saying इतने सारे तो मिल गए हैं volunteer. अब मेरी क्या ज़रूरत? Now look, if I say I need a volunteer and you don't raise your hand, then you're the volunteer. So I'm going to look for people who are not raising their hand. तो अगर आपको आना ही है यहाँ पे तो हाथ मत उठाओ. I'll pick you. So चलो, one more time. I need a volunteer. और ये देखो, अब तो ये non-volunteer के लिए उठाया है हाथ. So you all are very, very clever. I can see that. So you got it, right? When I say I need a volunteer and you've not raised your hand, then you are the volunteer. Now my third rule is very simple. देखो, ऐसा होता है ना, बात करने का फायदा है नहीं अगर कोई सुन नहीं रहा. So I need you to pay attention. So what we'll do is, for my entire talk, we will play an attention game. It's a very, very simple game. Every time I say hi, you'll respond saying hello. ठीक है? So hi. Hello. I don't have corona. Okay, I'm just coughing, I need water. Alright. I was doing a shoot with Ayushmann Khurrana. Okay, so I have this show called The Genius Code. You must watch it. तो ये एकदम heart of pandemic time पे हुआ था. The whole crew was wearing a mask. So while we were shooting, पीछे किसी ने खांसा. So he stopped the कौन खांसा? Yeah? And nobody was willing to admit कि कौन खांसा. Okay, so the person who was coughing, I think they learned to internalize it. अंदर से हो रहा है, right? All right. So when I say hi, hello. Very good. Now when I say hello, you will say the opposite, which is hi. Got it? Okay. So hi. Hello. Hello. Hi. Super. Now I'll trick you. बातों बातों में I'll say hi. ये देखो आधे already सो गए. बातों बातों में I'll say hi. Hello. Yes, you catch it and say hello. Hi. ये फिर सो गया. What is this? It's such a simple game. Hi. Hello. Hello. Hi. Good. Now if I say hi. Hello. And you don't say hello. Hi. Then that will be penalty 200 rupees per head. I will collect. Hello. Hi. Okay, wonderful. You got it, right? So you will smile. Okay, you will volunteer. Let me see your hands. Okay, and you will pay attention. Hello. Hi. All right, so we can officially start. See, मेरे introduction में कहा गया I am a motivational speaker. Okay, I am an author, I am a screenwriter, and I am an entrepreneur. Okay, तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है सुन के कि wow, you know, you have all of these titles, and I love my job. दिख रहा है ना? ऐसा तो नहीं है ज़बरदस्ती आके कर रहे हैं. It shows that I love it. Okay, so a lot of people tell me, Priya, you're so lucky that you're doing what you love. You're also making good money. Money can always be better. Okay, you're also making good money, and you also have built a brand, and also. Okay, but I'm going to take you back to where it started. ऐसा नहीं था. वो शुरुआत में मैं भी ऐसे ही बैठी थी. And even if you told me smile, I would say why? मतलब why shall I smile? कोई खुशी तो है नहीं, right? So I was born and brought up in Chandigarh. यहाँ से है कोई चंडीगढ़ से? Let me see. Anyone from Chandigarh? One person. Hello. मुझे वो चंडीगढ़ वाले में कोई interest नहीं है. I was just tricking to see if you are paying attention. Hi. Hello. What's your name? Devansh. Hi, Devansh. Hello. Hey, Devansh is not important. अब वो ये extra step जाके बोल रहे हैं hello Devansh. Yeah? See, some of you have got it. Others have to try harder. So I was born and brought up in Chandigarh in a middle class family. So when we were growing up ना, तो पैसे की बहुत तकलीफ थी. My parents were not doing that well financially. They were really struggling. They both were working actually. So any of you know that kind of life where money is not like the way you want it? You don't have the luxury car like Student of the Year. You've seen the movie, no? You all look like from that movie only. Look at your faces. Karan Johar should come here and select the next one. I think Students of the Year will come from here. So we had a very difficult time growing up, okay, financially. My parents were really trying their best. And look, I was very convinced that my father was the reincarnation of Hitler. वो Hitler, when he left, no, वो गए नहीं, वो आए वापस in my house. And see, my father used to look like Hitler. मतलब एकदम. I remember I was in college, I was sitting on the last bench. You know the last benchers? हाँ, last bench, जिसको interest नहीं होता है ज़्यादा. Okay, so I was sitting on the last bench because I was really not interested. I wanted to go back home and work. And तब newspaper आया था. And you know, we used to take the newspaper to read the horoscope. कि कब किस्मत बदलेगी. और कभी ऐसा लगा star sign ही बदलो. तो दूसरे का ठीक चल रहा है. You know, so just change the star sign. So anyways, so there was a picture of Hitler. You've seen a picture of Hitler? Itna mustache he has and all. And I'm telling you, I was staring at it and thinking, कहीं देखा है. You know, कहीं तो देखा है. I mean, this man looks familiar. And my father till date has a mustache like that. ऐसे वाली दोनों साइड. Okay, so and then when you're getting bored and you're sitting behind last bench, you doodle, right? एक दांत काला कर दो, एक आँख पे पट्टी लगा दो. So doodle करते करते, I stretched the mustache like that did to my father. Exact. Okay, to the point, I cut that picture, I took it home and I showed it to my father. See, he was so excited. He kept it. You know, so, but anyways, see, my father was obsessed with number one. He's a number one आना है. Okay, and the answer when he asked you, आएंगे number one. So the answer, we had two options to give him, yes or yes. Full childhood, the no column was missing in my life. So you have to come number one or else. Or else is dhamki. Okay, and see that the family that I grew up in, okay, was a very active family. Or else is essay. Okay, and as children know, we had very good reflexes of standing away and ducking any time. कभी भी एक पढ़ सकती है. You know, अब तो ये सब बंद हो गया है, right? तो and we were thinking कि देखो अभी बिना धमकी दिए ये इतना चल रहा है, तो अगर second आएंगे तो पता नहीं क्या होगा. Alright, so I had no option but to come first. Sports day आया, you're coming first. अब कहाँ से आएंगे इतना first कैसे होगा? So I became very clever in selection. So sports day में I would never participate in sprints or marathon. I would go in slow cycling. जहाँ पे कोई नहीं आ रहा. Lemon and spoon, sack race, or where all the easy to beat students are coming. So if you ever come to my house, you'll see medals, gold medals of sports, and you look at me and think, wow, you must be an athlete. So I keep quiet and smile. अब हम क्या बताएं, तो lemon and spoon का है, ये sack race का है, ये sprint marathon basketball football उसका नहीं है. Medal is medal, no? Hello? So first तो आना ही था, that's it. Okay, and if you are a top ranker, no, salute to you, because you have to manage your time, you have to manage everything, you have to be better than the teacher, trying to figure out क्या question आएगा, right? You become very sharp when the pressure on you is to stand first or else. Hello? Hi. And see, my father, and I'll tell you, I speak about him in very good light, which I will tell you in a few minutes. Hold on. Okay, that I owe the fact that I'm standing here and talking to you, I owe to my father. See, he's a good man. He gave us pocket money. Did you all get pocket money? Yes. Very good. See, we used to get pocket money, charana. You all don't even know what charana is. Okay, this was about 30 years ago. इतने तब तो आप पैदा भी नहीं हुए थे. Maybe you all were my old neighbor auntie that time. In a past life. Who knows? Okay, charana. Charana is how much? 25 paise, which today is a rare item. You don't have 25 paisa. So every morning when we used to go to school, my father used to give us pocket money, charana. Okay, in the evening he would collect it back. Okay? That was pocket money. Means the money is in your pocket, but you cannot spend it or else. Okay, तो इतना टेंशन होता था, देख क्यों रहे हो? There was one time I remember we were playing something, toss करते करते खो गया. Let's not talk after that. Okay, so but we got, and my father used to take us shopping every Sunday to Sector 17. Or shopping ऐसे होते, so it would be shopping day. And see, you tell a girl shopping day, our list was pending since birth. इतनी long list होती है. Okay, अब shopping के लिए निकले, तो I would like a dress. He'd say, आगे देखते हैं. All the girls, remember this. If the man of your life is telling you, आगे देखते हैं, वो पीछे कभी नहीं आएंगे. आगे देखते हैं, आगे पसंद है, आगे देखते हैं. अब आगे देख देख के मेरी लिस्ट और बढ़ रही है कि वाव. और फिर जब लास्ट शॉप हुई, उसके बाद we never came back. We went home. Hello? That was shopping. So anyways, तो ये तो हमारी life थी as growing up. Then किस्मत ने दरवाजा खोल दिया. Destiny opened its door and we moved to Bombay. Okay, I was about 13 years old then. Now don't ask me how long ago was that, because I know some of you mathematicians will do the numbers and say, acha, I know how old she is. Yeah, so, एंड सी गलती से मेरे मुंह से निकल जाएगा कि 30 साल पहले था, लेट्स से, मानना मत। हेलो, ओके, सो वी केम टू बॉम्बे। अब बॉम्बे आए तो वेंट टू द न्यू स्कूल। तो न्यू स्कूल से ना माई कजिन हैड जस्ट पास्ड आउट फ्रॉम द स्कूल। तो व्हाट शी डिड वाज, बिकॉज वी केम इन द मिडल ऑफ द स्कूल स्टार्टेड, तो यूनिफॉर्म नहीं थी। You know, you land up suddenly, so you have to go to school the next day. So what my cousin did was she sent her old uniform to me. Now imagine, you're a new student wearing an old uniform. How does that feel? अब ऐसा नहीं किसी और ने कपड़े दिए तो पूरे फिट आ गए, नहीं है। एंड यूनिफॉर्म इज अ ड्रेस यू वेयर एवरी डे, रोज आयरन करेंगे तो फेड भी हुई है, करेक्ट। सो नाउ इमेजिन माय फर्स्ट डे ऑफ स्कूल, दे आस्क्ड मी वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम, चंडीगढ़। चंडीगढ़, हाँ, hello. See, from a small town you come to a metro. At that time 30 odd years ago, they are not very kind. फिर they are thinking she's looking new but is wearing an old uniform, तो चक्कर क्या है, तो अच्छा नहीं लगा, you know what I mean, है ना। आपके कपड़े खराब हो जाए, आ रहे हैं, कीचड़ आ जाए, how do you feel? Do you feel good? You have that pen now, so you all don't carry pens also. You carry iPads and laptops and phones. तो पेन है, पेन की इंक निकल गई, how do you feel? You don't feel very good. Okay, so I didn't feel very good in a new class, everyone looking at old uniform. तो मेरा ना confidence थोड़ा low होने लगा. You know what low confidence is? Does anyone know what low confidence is? और low confidence actually किस बात पे है? Uniform पे, correct? हो सकता है. Have you ever had a bad haircut? है ना, बैड, डू यू फील थोड़ा लो कॉन्फिडेंस, है ना। एंड देन यू समबडी सेज इतना दुखी क्यों दिख रहा है, ऐसे यार बाल खराब काट दिए। अच्छा, बाल काटे थे, वो किसी को दिख भी नहीं रहा बाल काटे हैं, पर कॉन्फिडेंस अपना लो हो रहा है, अपने को अच्छा लगना चाहिए। सी, रिमेंबर दिस, कॉन्फिडेंस इज वेरी पावरफुल बिकॉज योर कॉन्फिडेंस विल डिसाइड योर परफॉर्मेंस। इज दैट करेक्ट? आप काम क्या करेंगे, कैसे करेंगे, उसका डायरेक्ट कोरिलेशन इज विद कॉन्फिडेंस। मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस हैड कम डाउन एंड माय फादर से नंबर 1 आना जी। अब कॉन्फिडेंस लो है तो परफॉर्मेंस तो गड़बड़ होगी। ऑलराइट, नाउ यू मस्ट रिपेयर योर कॉन्फिडेंस। और कॉन्फिडेंस किस बात पे कम है कि यूनिफॉर्म खराब है, सो हैंडल इट, डोंट बी जजमेंटल। यूनिफॉर्म की तो बात है, हु आर यू टू जज? यूनिफॉर्म की वजह से मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस लो है, मुझे वो फिक्स करना है। सो आई वेंट टू माई फादर एंड आई सेड, डैड आई वॉन्ट अ न्यू यूनिफॉर्म। सो माई फादर थॉट अबाउट इट एंड ही सेड, कोई बात नहीं जी, अगले हफ्ते ले लेंगे। ऑल द गर्ल्स, प्लीज रिमेंबर, इफ द मैन ऑफ योर लाइफ इज पोस्टपोनिंग योर नीड टू नेक्स्ट वीक एंड नेक्स्ट वीक and next week it's never going to come. तो I said ठीक है। अब see, dad is saying अगले हफ्ते आना, पर confidence तो आज लो है ना। But can you argue with dad? Not with my dad. Maybe with your dad. I don't know. You have to keep quiet and say, okay dad. अब अगला हफ्ता आ गया and I went to dad and said, dad uniform. तो first ही thought फिर आ गई, you know कि एक हफ्ता टालेंगे तो भूल जाएगी, भूलना मत। You want something, don't forget, even if anybody says बाद में, वो लिख के रख लो। And when you go to school and everybody starts looking at you, you will not forget. So I went to dad and said uniform. तो अब वो तो भूल गए थे, सोच के कि मुझे भुला देंगे। तो he said कोई बात नहीं, अगले हफ्ते ले लेंगे। Now can you argue with my father? No. अब ठीक है, चुपचाप जाओ। अब देखो मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस नीचे, क्योंकि अब हंस रहे हैं लोग, ओके, एंड आई डोंट हैव फ्रेंड्स बिकॉज सी वी वर मिडिल क्लास बट वी वर नॉट पुअर, ओके। अब वो सोच रहे पता नहीं कहाँ से, चंडीगढ़ है कहाँ, अभी चंडीगढ़ की बातें होने लगी, एक्सेंट देखो इसका, हेलो, इट्स टेरिबल। यार आपको मिल तो जाए, और आपने भी ये बहुत किया है, मैंने भी किया है ना, किसी की वीकनेस मिल जाए कितना मजा आता है, उसको पकड़ के उसके ऊपर टॉपिक बनाने का, करेक्ट। ऐसा नहीं मेरे साथ हुआ है, मैंने भी किया है। ऑलराइट, सो नाउ नेक्स्ट वीक आई वेंट टू डैड अगेन, सेड यूनिफॉर्म, ही सेड अगले हफ्ते आना। सी एक बात समझ में आ गई कि इफ समबडी इज गिविंग यू होप, नो, करेंगे, होप मस्ट कम विद अ डेडलाइन। कब तक? वो ऐसे हिंदी में बोलते हैं, व्हाट इज होप कॉल्ड इन हिंदी? आशा। आशा, उम्मीद, और ऐसा बोलते हैं उम्मीद पे दुनिया का है, आएगा अपना टाइम। Who said that? रणवीर सिंह ना, अपना टाइम आएगा, कब आएगा मुझे डेट बता दो। आई अंडरस्टूड ये माय फादर यूनिफॉर्म देने वाले हैं नहीं, वो ये नेक्स्ट वीक ना 2 साल खींचेंगे जब तक मेरा हो जाएगा स्टडीज, फिर बोलेंगे अब ज़रूरत नहीं है। हेलो, and you know when you are younger, abhi you are still 16 17, you know in 6 months you grow this way or that way, somewhere you're growing, the clothes are not going to fit, right? So it was not okay. So I said कि ठीक है, अभी ये मुद्दा किस बात का है? The whole topic for the uniform, how much is the uniform for? I found 120 rupees. अब ये 120 rupees को लेके 3 हफ्ते बाद खींच चुकी है, एग्जाम आने वाला, ये नंबर 1 मुझे दिख नहीं रहा। हेलो, so I decided, I was 13 years old. Have any of you ever been 13 years old? हाँ, तो say let me see your hand. Oh क्या? See, don't think I'll only say hello to check if you're awake, क्योंकि अब तक ना आपने सारी ट्यूनिंग कर ली है। So when I say the sky is high, ये वो वाला है ही नहीं, ये वाला है, ये वाला नहीं है, but now you've done the tuning. So when I say how many of you were 13, some of you were confused कि 13 की उम्र में मैं कितने का था? Hello? So if you've been 13, you know it. Life is about playing and having fun and so on, and that has not changed at 16 also. Okay? So I decided ये 120 रुपए की बात है ना, I will earn it. गुस्सा आता है ना कभी-कभी, मैं बड़ी गाड़ी लूँगा। आगे you have to work for it. So I said, okay, I will earn 120 rupees. Where's the money? And see, in my house, no, see, though when you are growing up, you know, young adult, तो पैसे कमाने के 2 रास्ते हैं, या तो घर से ले लो, मेरे घर में मौका ही नहीं था, because my father would come from work, take his wallet and put it straight in the cupboard. तो थोड़ा इधर इधर भी रख दो ना, तो मेरी यूनिफॉर्म आ जाएगी। ऐसे कभी रखा ही नहीं, सीधा कबर्ड में लॉक। Okay, now next is go and earn the money. अब कहाँ कमाएंगे पैसे? See, if you want to earn the money, is there somebody outside of this room who's willing to give 120 rupees for some job done? Do you think so? Yes, there's enough money in the world. So I came to school. School थी, घर था, घर के तो दरवाजे बंद थे, कबर्ड के. Right? अब स्कूल आए, स्कूल में कहाँ पैसे मिलेंगे? Then I found out in Bombay, in my school, these kids after studying, सुबह आते थे, स्कूल में पढ़ाई की, फिर घर गए, खाना खाया, फिर वही पढ़ाई करने फिर से जाते थे for tuitions. ऐसा तो हमने सुना ही नहीं था। Hello? I was coming first on my own, खुद पढ़ के। I said, अच्छा, ये फिर पढ़ने फिर कहीं और जा रहे हैं, and how much are they paying? They are paying 250 rupees. You know tuitions, right? Okay? So I said, ये तो मैं पढ़ा सकती हूँ, अभी पढ़ा है मैंने। You know what I mean? So, but see, if you want to earn money, which is what you will do after you go out of this institute, वही बात होने वाली है, correct? Same boat everybody is going to come to. What do they ask you for? Experience. Experience क्या है? अच्छा, आपको पढ़ा, you want to become a teacher, and see how did I dare to say मैं पढ़ाती हूँ? ये हिम्मत कहाँ से आई? ये आइडिया कहाँ से आया? Because Dad taught me how to be a number 1 student. और जो number 1 student है ना, thinks like a teacher. Hello? Hi. If you have got high marks in any subject, you know कि पढ़ाई एक चीज है और सोच एक चीज है as a teacher. Okay? वहाँ से हिम्मत आई. So don't think कि ये मेरे साथ क्यों हो रहा है. Everything is happening in alignment with who you are. See, sports में number 1 नहीं आई. Slow cycling, I can still beat you. But that's not a sport, right? But in studies, there was no slow cycling. So I said, चलो, I can teach. किसको पढ़ाऊँ? Okay, now imagine this. In a class, there are 3 categories of students. Alright, you all have studied, right? First category is those high-flying 80%ers, 85, you know them, right? All of you are sitting here only, correct, from that class. So, ab dekho, if I teach you as an 85%er, do I have to add to your progress? कि मेरे पास आप आए पढ़ने, अब आपका 90 हो गया, करेक्ट? अदरवाइज जो पेरेंट्स से 85 तो उसको पहले आ रहा था आदित्य का, अब हमने पैसे क्यों दिए? बिकॉज नाउ 90%. Okay, so there are these top students. Then comes middle category, वो 50-55 वाले, you know those also, right? Okay, so now that middle category also, if I work with them, तो at least 5% तो मुझे दिखाना पड़ेगा improvement, correct? Otherwise काय का tuition. Now imagine the guy gets 50%, he came to study with me and got 45%. Now I will have to give 120 rupees and go to dad, I want a uniform and refund. Hello? Hi. ठीक है, अब third category is an amazing category in a class. It's called the classic duffers. They are not duffers, please mind you, but वो पढ़ नहीं रहे. You get it? वो 35 मतलब वो teachers also thinking यार इसको आगे डालो, fail हुआ है but give 35 because I don't want him next year, right? So वो मतलब वो उनकी गाड़ी चलते जा रही है धीरे धीरे. So there was this girl in my class, okay? She in her life had never seen number 36, क्योंकि बॉम्बे में passing, महाराष्ट्र बोर्ड passing is 35. How much is it here? 33. तो वहाँ में 35 है. उसने लाइफ में 36 देखा ही नहीं. Okay, I don't know, but very brilliant kid. I don't know why she was not studying. तो I said चलो इसको पकड़ लेते हैं, because somebody who's never gone beyond 35 and now she gets 40%, that is creating history. You see, काम अगर करना है ना तो वो चुनो. आप ऐसा काम करो that it has the potential of becoming history. And you know what? ऐसे काम की जगह में ना competition भी नहीं है, because everybody wants those top rankers, the middle one. Nobody look at this side. Now you tune yourself. Look at all the people you admire. उन्होंने जहाँ कोई नहीं गया या किसी की हिम्मत नहीं हुई, वहाँ जाके they made the turnaround. So now I said I will teach you. So the mother was thinking, देखो अभी तो ये वो आंटी जी के पास जाती हैं तो 35 आते हैं, अभी if she will go to this girl तो पता नहीं क्या होगा. But the mother was clever. She thought, if my daughter is with the top ranker, maybe she'll change. Do you think company matters? Then be very careful of who is on your left and who is on your right. Okay? अने इनकी तो दीवार है, अभी मत देखो यार, ही सिंह मेरे यहाँ तो दीवार है. And look, keep company, good company of people elder to you. जरूरी नहीं है अपने ही age के होने चाहिए. Elder to you. Okay? Make friends with people. Follow them and say, I want to be friends with you. Can you be my mentor? You know, can you be my guide? Can I ask you some questions? Okay? Because company matters. So अब deal fix हो गई. Now the mother said, देखो 250 rupees तो we are giving to that teacher. We can't give you 250. Why? क्योंकि मेरे पास education नहीं है. You follow? I don't have qualification to be a teacher. Did I have qualification? No. And I tell you, a lot of you will go out of here. जहाँ आपके सपने इतने बड़े होंगे, qualification कम पड़ जाएगी. तो क्या करेंगे? मतलब नहीं करेंगे? No. There is something bigger than qualification, and that is your willingness. मुझे ये करना ही है, because I want to go back to school in a new uniform. Hello? Hi. Yes, qualification is important as a starter, but it is not a guarantee. Okay? फिर experience नहीं है. Experience तो कभी भी नहीं होगा. कितना experience है? You think 26 years I've been doing this is enough? There's so much more to learn. Do you know Mr. Sandeep Marwa? Oh my God, I spent half an hour with him and I felt I should go and read 20 more books. He's so inspiring. So don't ever take clout on your experience. 26 साल हो गए तो आज बताओ ना, आज तो इनसे बात कर रहे हैं, मेरा 26 साल का क्या फ़ायदा if I can't connect with you? Experience will never be enough. Age 13 मतलब 13 years old. Hey, 19-year-old Mark Zuckerberg became a billionaire. Hello? Hi. Some of you have just 3 more years to go. 16, 17, 18, no. 17, 18, 19. 3 more years. तो ये अच्छी बात है. पर जिसको करना है ना, if you start using this, तो ये बहाना है. So I told the mother, okay, 250 ना दो, 120 दे दो. Exact amount for my uniform. So the deal was struck. Okay, now look, आप जब कमाने जाएंगे ना, whether you earn 10 rupees or you earn 1 lakh rupees, the process is the same. Okay, which means you have to first now come to school not as a student but as a researcher. You have to ask the teacher all the questions because you have a student to go and teach. Hello? Hi. जब वो सवाल पूछेगी वो लिख के आप दूसरे दिन आके टीचर से पूछेंगे. Get it? पूरा behavior change हो जाएगा. That behavior change is a choice. Correct? मुझे तो कोई सिखाने वाला भी नहीं था. Then can you go to play? No. And I remember my friends, my building friends would call out saying, Priya, you know, I'd look down and they'd be waving the badminton rackets. Then I would look inside at that girl and I'd say no. मन है पर कर नहीं सकते क्योंकि the minute you take up a job and you get paid for it, there is a commitment. Okay? And I tell you, जब आप पैसे कमाने जाते हैं ना तो एक नई बात पता पड़ती है. काम आप 1 महीना कर रहे हैं, पैसे 1 महीने के बाद मिलेंगे. How does that justify? I wanted the money now, but they'll pay me 1 month later, which means my uniform is postponed by 4 weeks. Plus, Dad is already saying अगले हफ्ते. All right? So 1 महीना खत्म हुआ. And I tell you, at that time, your first income, वो कुछ भी amount हो, is a big deal. क्योंकि मैंने कमाया. So the mother was standing outside the school with 150 rupees. See, in my era, 150 was a lot of charanas. If you break it down into 25 पैसा. See, 25 पैसे से ज़्यादा हमने देखा नहीं था. वो दिवाली में जो ताऊ जी and all would give the 50 rupees, no? That they would give and father would take it. See, it's very bad when relatives give money in front of your parents. फिर वापस देने पड़ते हैं. आप चुपके से लिया करो. You know, if an elder is giving you money, say no, leave it. Then go later and say give it. Okay? So at least आगे नहीं देना पड़ता. So anyways, 120 rupees I earned when I was 13 years old. 1 month of hard work. And I came home and I made my first professional mistake. I showed the money to my father. दिखाना पड़ता है ना, देखो 120 rupees. Oh, my father was so excited. He was so happy for me. He took all the notes, folded them, put it in his pocket and said, Shabash. Shabash, मतलब uniform? He said, वो तो अगले हफ्ते लेंगे. 1 महीना काम किया मैंने. And see, when you're too young, no, you don't get access to the money. The parents will take the money. अब बात समझ में आ गई. देखो, अगर यूनिफॉर्म लेनी है तो डबल कमाने पड़ेंगे because 120 rupees will go हफ्ता, will go to the house, to the mafia. So which means if I still need the uniform, I need another 120 rupees. You're all smiling, but you know what is going on? You're wearing the old uniform, going to school every day. So now my target was double पैसे कमाने हैं. अब मुझे बताओ, already पूरा दिन मैं काम कर रही हूँ. Full day I'm working. It's a full day job because I also have to study, do my homework, teach and so on. अब now if I have to earn double the money, कैसे होगा? Double time तो है ही नहीं. कैसे होगा? Tell me. Oh, see, जब दूसरे को advice देनी होती है ना, it's so easy. 2 student लिया. पर खुद को जब समझना होता है ना, ऐसा नहीं होगा. Hello? Hi. You are giving advice to an adult. No problem, Priya, 2 student lao. Which means you understand how life works, how business works. You're saying, Miss Priya, 13 years old, उतने ही time में आप double कमा सकते हैं. एक और ले आओ student. Very good advice. Keep this when you grow up. When you want to make double the money. In the same time. Hello? Hi. Now getting the second student was very easy because I tell you, this girl broke records. You know, we used to have a class test out of 10. वो सेमेस्टर तो बाद में आता था, पहले क्लास टेस्ट होते थे. उसका रिकॉर्ड था क्लास टेस्ट में her average score was 0. I don't know how somebody can get average 0. She scored 8 out of 10 average. The teachers took her in the separate room to ask her questions again. They thought maybe I've taught her how to copy. क्योंकि कैसे हो सकता है इतना बड़ा? Oh, she knew it. And you know, when you succeed once, now you are closer to becoming, where was that? Closer to becoming a brand. Okay? It's here. Closer to becoming a brand. Because to become a brand, you have to first deliver results. So now a second student came in because they said, "Acha, iske saath itna improvement hua, but 120 rupees." All right, I worked 1 more month. Did not go to play, did not go anywhere. I studied and I taught, and when I got the money after school, I had learned well. First, I took the 120 rupees, went to the school tailor and gave it. And then when I came home, I put 120 rupees on the table. And my father said, "ये तो 2 थे ना?" तो I said, "हाँ, वो तो यूनिफॉर्म के लिए दे दिए." ठीक है, अभी गए पैसे, no problem, शाबाश. See, you come from my family, whatever it is, शाबाश is the common word. गलत किया शाबाश, no problem, अच्छा किया शाबाश. Okay? तो मेरा काम हो गया. And I said, okay, now I don't have to suffer anymore, work anymore. And I told both the girls, "Tata, goodbye, now you can go." Arey, before they reached home, the mothers came to my house and said, "How can you quit? Because they are doing so well. We can't let you quit." See, the day you say, "मैं छोड़ रहा हूँ घर," मत बोलना. क्योंकि अगर किसी ने रोका नहीं ना, तो मतलब जा. आप फिर बोल नहीं सकते "I changed my mind." आप इतना फोर्स कर रहे हैं तो. हेलो, I said I quit. They came, they fought with me. No, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. फिर मेरे फादर को भी ले लिया घेरे में. My father also said, हाँ पढ़ाओ. And if dad says पढ़ाओ, तो फंस गए. I taught for 9 years. 9 years, huh? From 13 to 9 years, I taught a total of 1900 students. As I studied, I taught. Thank you. Yeah, and I loved it. You all are so kind there. पर आके करो तो सही थोड़ा. I never stepped out of the house. I never went to college because in my college in Bombay, when I was sitting at the back, तब तो माइक भी नहीं था, तो सुनता भी नहीं था क्या बोल रही है. Then I said, ये तो मैं कर सकती हूँ. You know why? Because when I would teach the kids, I would set their papers. Test करना होता है ना if you're a teacher. And guess what? My test papers were a 99% match with the papers. So the whole class used to come to me, paper day. Hello? Hi. I knew how a teacher thinks. By reading the books, I would set the papers and they would tally. So I would sit in college and think कि अगर मैं ये छोड़ दूँ तो I can include 3 more batches. So perpetually I was on a sick leave. I was a very sick student for all college admin purposes. Okay, I would only go to give my exam. I taught 1900 students. Shahid Kapoor was my student, by the way. Hey, I don't have his number. Yeah, because a lot of you will come out and say, "Give me his number." I also don't have it. He changes his number every year. Okay, and whenever he meets me, he says, "Ma'am." Hello? Hi. So it was a very, very incredible journey. Now let me tell you, okay, as I said, qualification is important. But if your dreams are bigger than your qualification, don't hesitate. Okay, और आपको ना कोई तो चाहिए लाइफ में जो प्रेशर डाले और बोले नंबर 1. You have to come number 1 or else. So, you know, somebody was asking me, I was telling this story, and they said, क्या होता? I know I didn't turn it. Thank you, Tanvi. I didn't turn it. I realized I don't use PPTs. Is that okay? I'm old-fashioned. I'm a writer, which means I write with a pen and paper. ठीक है ना? हाँ, नहीं तो सी PPT चलाएंगे ना तो डार्क करना पड़ेगा. फिर आप सो जाएंगे और दिखेगा नहीं. Hello? Aditya is still there, no? Okay, all is good there. Yeah, so look, the thing is that if I would have thought too much कि कैसे होगा कि नहीं होगा, तो उसमें ना निकल जाएगी बोझ. You must remember that if you want something, if you have a desire or a dream, कितना भी बड़ा या कितना भी छोटा, it is your responsibility. Okay, so I started as a teacher just to buy one uniform. उसके बाद हंस गए. Then I became a motivational speaker because after 9 years I knew every page of the book. If you asked me, ma'am, I'm confused, I said turn to page 26, third para. And I realized the students were growing, but I wasn't. Okay, so I decided to become a motivational speaker. अब कहाँ से बने motivational speaker? Because at that time there was no motivational speaking. Okay, but when you're talking to students and talking to their parents and talking to the teachers and convincing them, you are a motivational speaker. Do you know I have done a PhD in suicide? Because when you have 1900 students, you know how many love affairs, breakups, domestic stuff and so on, that वो answer में ही पता पड़ जाता है ये answer है कि suicide note है. Hello? Hi. Life has ended. Everything is dark. Hello? Hi. Do you know how many people I have gone on to the ledge with? You know, standing on the 11th floor, she's saying, I'll jump. ऐसे तुम नहीं करोगे पर मेरा हाथ फिसल रहा है. Yeah? So, hello? Hi. It has been a learning of a lifetime interacting with students. Okay? So you start the job and then you see where it goes. Don't be scared. क्या होता? ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं होता, right? But at least I became independent. When you go and earn your first money as an intern or whatever it is that you do, you will realize big things about life, and it's a lot of fun. All right, so when I talk about brand building, okay, let me tell you, how do you build your brand? To build a brand, first you have to be a leader at something. कुछ तो number one होना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो काय का brand? I can't say no, I want to build a brand. अच्छा, what are you good at? Nothing. I'm good at browsing. Browsing is not leadership. What is it that you do? And therefore, get somebody who will push you and put pressure on you. Go tell your father, आप डांटते नहीं हैं. Hello? आप बहुत lenient है. Hello? And look at some of you saying, why shall I do that? Yeah, you should give the pocket money back. And I owe this to my father. Now imagine this, okay? Imagine a scenario. All right, when we write movies and when we write books, all I have to do is in chapter 1, when Priya Kumar went to her father and said, Dad, I want a new uniform. He'd say, ठीक है, जाओ tailor के पास और कर लो. Imagine. Now I go to the tailor, the uniform is done, and I come back to school. All right, all is sorted. One thing is 100% sure, 100%, that I would not be standing here today talking to you. I'd be somewhere else. Don't underestimate the power of a challenge that you're trying to solve. कि इतना बड़ा challenge है कि dad is also not supporting. Okay, but you solved it. You know, in Bombay, I like to say Bombay, not Mumbai, because when I moved to Bombay, it was Bombay. Hello? Hi. So in Bombay, right now, on the port, there is a ship. Okay, it looks like a boat, all right? But it's a massive ship standing in the Bombay port, all set to go to Cape Town. Where is Cape Town? Okay, वहाँ उसका destination है. Everything is set, the compass, everything is set to go there. But before it leaves from here, you change the setting by 1 degree west. Tell me, it starts 1 degree west. Is it going to reach Cape Town? It's in physics, it's called the law of momentum. That 1 degree will make so much change ahead कि वो उधर नहीं पहुंचेगी, वो कहीं और पहुंचेगी. So if I trace back that who I am today, when somebody says, oh my God, you're a writer, you're a speaker, I always call my father and say thank you for pushing me, for not settling, because my father very simply said, देखो हम इतनी मेहनत कर रहे हैं, correct? मेहनत कर रहे हैं ना? If you now you came to know how hard your parents work. Hello? Yeah, he said इतनी मेहनत कर रहे हैं और आपको स्कूल भेज रहे हैं. My expectation is you come number 1. Why? क्योंकि कोई ना कोई तो आएगा. Correct? Why shouldn't it be you? वो ऐसा क्या कर रहे हैं जो तुम नहीं कर रहे? You come first. And till today, it's ingrained in my blood, number 1, yes and yes. You know, I got an award which was, they gave it to me. मैं तो मांगा भी नहीं था. Number 2, as the India's most inspirational writer. Okay? I never told my father because he'd say, 1 क्यों नहीं आया? मैंने तो मांगा भी नहीं था. खुद ही evaluate करके, rig करके दिया है. Hello? Alright? So, tracking back, it comes back to the age of 13, you are 16, you are 17, you are 18, you are 19. There are some decisions that you have to make about your life. Okay? Because एक और option थी मेरे पास. Dad नहीं दे रहे हैं ना uniform, ठीक है. मैं देखूंगी 21 पे. You come. And that word is called compromise. Compromise means I will live with it. My confidence is going down. I expect others to fix it. I won't. Okay? Don't ever compromise. You want to become a brand, you need to have a unique style. See, मेरे पास experience नहीं था ना as a teacher. Actually, that worked well for me because मुझे पता ही नहीं. Now I can put in my style. Okay, so what was my style? Storytelling. First of all, you have a girl who's a teacher. We can talk. है ना, बातें करेंगे और हम उम्र है, right? Plus there is pressure of performance. And my middle name is speed. जल्दी करो, जल्दी करो, जल्दी करो. So imagine you would come to me to study. ऐसे जल्दी जल्दी पढ़ो, हो गया, अभी आधा घंटा और है. अभी आधा घंटा क्या करेंगे? Let's play the guitar. Because हो गया ना काम. How much time? If you really want to speed things up, इतना time लगता नहीं. वो हम इधर भी देखते हैं, उधर भी देखते हैं, फिर उसके बारे में भी सोचते हैं. तब जाके 2 घंटे लगते हैं. Hello? और बीच में एक suicide note भी आता है. Hello? You quickly work and finish it. Okay? So, your unique style, don't discuss it with others. Just do it. Why do you want to copy others? और आज ना social media पे इतना हो गया, वो ये कर रहे हैं, मैं भी करूँ. ये filter है, you don't even know those people. कर क्या रहे हैं? Did you know that, I was signed up as an author with very little money. Okay? But we say, okay, ठीक है. Then I found out another author, he said he got 100 times more the money. You know how depressing it is when you found out you got 10 and he got 10,000. You say छोड़ो, ये सब करना नहीं है. फिर 2 साल बाद पता पड़ा झूठ बोला था. Hello? उसका तो रिलीज भी नहीं हुआ. लोग ना बहुत झूठ बोलते हैं सोशल मीडिया पे. So don't compare. You maintain your unique style and move on. Because do you know Justin Bieber? Look at that. Yes. You know, if you watch his movie Never Say Never, and if you've seen him grow up, you know, he had that long hair. लड़के के इतने लंबे बाल. इंडिया में तो आए पंजाबी फैमिली में, नहीं करने देंगे. But his was a unique style. You get it? And he was not trying to copy somebody else and do a mohawk and so on. Yeah, if you like it, you do it. But you know what? Your unique style will become your differentiator. इतना भी इधर उधर मत देखो कि खुद को ही भूल जाओ. Hello? Then results. See, end of the day, I got the job, no, at 120 rupees to teach a friend. I have to deliver results. You deliver results, you'll become a brand. How did those 1900 students come? I never went to call anyone, by the way. Nobody I went to call. They came on their own. Sun ke. Where are you going? मुँह क्यों फूला है? थप्पड़ लगी. Why do you look so happy? Because we played the guitar. Did you know, because I used to play the guitar, I used to encourage music. And I used to teach French and other subjects. जहाँ पे रट्टा मारते हैं ना, you know, ratta subjects, where you really didn't understand, but you have to mug it. So French and other things, which I was 100% sure. This was my style, unique style, I'll tell you. I used to set the paper and we all used to mug it up. Okay. Then there was a student of mine, he had a terrace flat on the 14th floor, huge terrace. We used to set up the drums, we used to set up the guitar and everything. And we, in the tune of Hotel California, we used to read out the paper. And the people around would wonder, sounds like Hotel California, पर ये बोल क्या रहे हैं? You know, they're talking physics, chemistry in it. Now, how will you forget? Now, imagine those kids will say, oh, we had so much fun studying. They would leave the other tuitions and come to me. Hello? So, when you give results in your unique style and you want to be number one, nobody can stop you from being a brand. And all the people that you admire, that you see out there, ye hai unme. This is the process. Then comes entrepreneur. Okay? Do you think at 13 you would call me an entrepreneur by the end of the year? You know, when I was teaching 2 students, अब इतना तो पता पड़ गया था कि फंस गए हैं, छोड़ नहीं सकते, because dad is saying अब तो पढ़ाना पड़ेगा पूरा साल. And I remember, see, when we came from Chandigarh, no, we had a big house, and in Bombay, small house. तो वो dining table आया नहीं, क्योंकि दरवाजे से आया नहीं. इतना बड़ा टेबल कहाँ रखेंगे? So we had a small collapsible table, you know, with the wall, you collapse it and you put the chairs around it. And I remember these 2 girls were sitting and I was waiting for them to finish whatever they were writing. तो ऐसे में बैठी थी and suddenly the entrepreneur spirit dawned on me. Because while the 2 girls were writing their homework, I saw 3 empty chairs. I said, फंस तो गए हैं, अब 3 और ले आओ. In that same time, make at least 3 times more the money. I'm suffering as it is, might as well suffer in style. Hello? And that's how it grew. Okay? If you cannot give a commitment, yes, I will do it. The parents will ask you, will their marks increase? Do you have the guts to say yes? Then go and make it happen. All right? And where does it come from? Research and study. You decide right now, मुझे life में क्या बनना है? It does not matter. I studied economics. I'm a motivational speaker. क्या ताल्लुक है? I had really thought that I would continue my MBA and so on in economics, but ऐसा हुआ नहीं. No problem. But my research and study in what I love is solid. It is so solid. When you come to my house, please do. If you're coming to Bombay, write to me. I'll invite you to my house. I have 2 dogs also. One bites, one doesn't, but it's okay. All right? I love it when people come to my house. You won't see all these artifacts. You'll see books and books and books everywhere. And my brother, younger to me, he lives in the US. तो वो आता है ना, उसको बहुत गुस्सा आता है ये books देख के, क्योंकि वो पढ़ता नहीं. Okay, so then what he'll do, he'll come, he'll take out one book and say, ये किस बारे में है? Why? He's not interested. कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. He just wants me to say, ये पता नहीं, पढ़ी नहीं. Then say, अच्छा इतने पैसे वेस्ट किए? That's what he wants to say. And I'll tell him what's inside the book. Okay, you come to my room. My room does not have a bookshelf. It has a notebook shelf. Everywhere there are notebooks based on what I learned from those books. Okay, my research and study is solid. See, I have come to speak to 17-year-olds. I'm 47, plus minus 10. Yeah, preferably minus. You think about it, okay? And I've been around for 26 years. These are my notes I was writing. In every minute I got free, I was still going through it. Hey, why do I have to impress 17-year-old? My introduction is enough. But you cannot take your research and study for granted. You know, when a speaker comes, I'm looking for his notes. नहीं है ना, मतलब आधे तो सोएंगे. Hello? Never take that for granted. You love something, you have a smartphone, you have a Google connection, even God can't stop you from looking him up. Hello? You can find him on Google. Where does he live? I want to ask him a few questions. And I tell you, you won't have to die to do that. You'll find him somewhere. Okay? Then reorganize your life. Now, as a 13-year-old, if I'm teaching 2 students, do I have to reorganize my life? Yes. Who will teach you that? Life will teach you that. Everything can't be taught outside. एक आप commitment तो करके देखो, फिर खुद की नहीं सुनोगे. Like Salman Khan said, no? Y'all don't know? He said, no, एक बार मैं commitment करता हूँ, फिर खुद की नहीं सुनता. क्योंकि आगे results देने हैं. You deliver results. Will there be sacrifice? Yes. But you know, when you're making a lot of money and when you go to school and now everyone says, oh, she's from Chandigarh, Priya Kumar. Now you know tables have turned. Chandigarh has come on the map. Hello? Hello? Yeah, that is when it's all worth it. You know, I taught so many kids in my school. I studied in the school called Gyan Kendra in Mumbai. Even today, it's been how many years? How many years has it been since I left school? I told you my age. 34 years. 30 odd years ho gaye, you're right. 30 odd years that I left school. Even now when you go there, my name is written in gold because मेरा record ही कोई तोड़ नहीं पाया. वो तोड़ने के लिए you have to become the teacher. Hello? Will that not be a brand? Yes. And look, to be future ready, आपका future ना आएगा. I had never in my life imagined I'd be 30 years old. कभी सोचा ही नहीं था. Can you imagine you'll be 30? चल imagine 47. Try. Your imagination is powerful. Imagine you have a pink elephant with grey pants with polka dot white. You imagine, right? Then imagine 47. Right? Because it will come. I could never imagine. But to be future ready, you have to start now. And you know what? It's okay to make mistakes. क्योंकि किसी को आपसे कोई expectation वैसे भी है नहीं. है ना? The best time to experiment is when you have nobody has expectations from you. I wrote the book of Pulela Gopichand. You saw, right, in my introduction. Okay? He started playing when he was 8 years old. So I asked him, did you always want to be a world champion? He said, no, I just wanted to beat that fellow. मेरे को बस आज एक गेम जीतनी थी और मैं जीत नहीं पा रहा था ना, तो इसलिए I was working so hard because I just wanted to win one game. And I said, but why were you not winning? Were you that bad? Hello? सवाल उठता है ना? आप लगे हुए 4 साल से एक गेम नहीं जीते. He said, no, I was a very good player. But did you know in sports there is politics? In every industry there is politics. Politics में भी politics है, by the way. Okay, so he said, you know, these kids who would come to play the game, so suppose he's 18 years old, उसका birth certificate change करके 13 लिख रहे थे. So he said, imagine I go on court and there's a boy with a full beard and mustache. And he's saying he's 13 years old. मैं कहाँ से जीतूंगा? उसको बस एक मैच जीतना था, वो world champion बन गया. Hello? That's it. To be future ready, you have to give your best today. And he could have said, ये सब politics है, ये सब ऐसा है, छोड़ो. That is an option. But the day you compromise, like I wrote earlier, and you leave it, you're finished. Hello? Okay? The last one that I wrote, which was in the beginning, is do's and don'ts. See, be pushed. आपको अगर कोई धक्का मार नहीं रहा ना, मतलब उनको उम्मीद भी नहीं है. That is a very dangerous sign. You know, जब आप किसी से मांगते हैं, when I go and talk to my corporate clients, no, they are like 40 years elder to you. And उनसे अगर, so I say, which phone does your son want? So if he says he wants iPhone 13, I'll say, भरोसा है आप पे, तभी मांग रहा है. Imagine if you ask your son, बेटा कौन सा phone चाहिए, and he says, Dad आप रहने दो. मतलब he also knows कुछ नहीं करेंगे आप. So if somebody is pushing you, means भरोसा है. अगर कोई बोला बेटा ना कर, sir, what's your name? सिद्धांत. सिद्धांत छोड़ दे, आराम कर ले, खाना खा ले, means उम्मीद ही नहीं है. I mean, not that way. I'll give you a book. Yeah, you get what I'm saying. So be pushed. Take charge. Why should you not take charge? Why should you expect others to? My dad was already trying his best. For him to give me 120 rupees for the uniform would perhaps mean वो खाना नहीं खाएंगे या वो चल के जाएंगे office. I don't know. It's difficult, right? So age is not a barrier, and don't be afraid to work. काम करो. पूछो क्या करना है. Go to your seniors. Go to the management and say, anything I can do? And make all the mistakes you want. Because nobody has expectations, but you will learn. And then read, Baba. I heard you have some massive, awesome libraries. Okay? A leader is a reader. Okay? If you can't read, no, तो you'll be set back a lot. क्योंकि नहीं तो जिंदगी आपको सिखाएगी अच्छे से. इससे अच्छा आप पहले ही सीख लो. Hello? At least it will be a pleasure. And finally, show, don't tell. आपको कुछ करना है ना, आप करके दिखा दो और फिर बोलो ऐसा आगे से करूं क्या. अगर परमिशन मांगते रहेंगे ना, और if you keep telling I'm going to do this, I'm going to do this, it's never going to work. You have the option of time pass. You understand time pass? You know other kids who do time pass, no? Not you all. You all are readers, right? Hello? Okay? Then I said work. Don't be entitled. हर चीज़ के लिए don't go to mom and dad. अब ये चाहिए. सोचो how can I make it work? And that will happen if you don't wait idly and you don't compromise. And if this can be tuned from this age, you will make it. It's a challenge. There are 200 young minds here. You have the best teachers. You have the best qualification opportunity. You have the best extracurricular facilities. और जब मैंने बात की ना, look at the lineup of people coming to you to give you an example कि दुनिया बाहर ना बहुत अच्छी हो सकती है. It doesn't matter where you come from. It doesn't matter what your family has done. You can create history. पर उसके लिए ना थोड़ी सोच की tuning करनी पड़ेगी. You get what I'm saying? And I can see in your eyes. See, I can't see your smile. But your eyes are very clear. They are like that. You couldn't have been sleeping like that. Because sleeping is like this. Even Aditya is awake. You know, after I said his name. It's possible. Now, what I have for you is an activity. See, ये तो बातें हो गई. ओके अब ऐसा हो सकता है कि नहीं, क्योंकि कभी किया नहीं, कॉन्फिडेंस लो होता है किसी भी बात पे. तो लेट्स सी. Now, I have got for you a martial arts activity. Okay? आप में से किसी ने किया martial arts? Has anyone done martial arts? Okay, nobody has done. अच्छा, one girl has done. Awesome. Which martial arts did you do? Taekwondo. And what's your name? Tanisha has done Taekwondo and Siddhant? Karate. ये तो दिख भी रहे हैं वैसे गुस्से वाले थोड़े. You know, and what have you done? Taekwondo, both of you. What are your names? खुश खुश हाँ तो खुशी हो ना है ना. Okay, then what's her name? हाँ Namya. Okay, good, very good. हाँ we have 4 martial arts people. तो मतलब बाकी किसी ने किया नहीं है. Okay, now see, martial arts comes by qualification. All right, which means you have to first showcase some degree of agility and some mental fortitude to qualify. ऐसे नहीं ले लेंगे. अच्छा कुछ नहीं है, membership ले लो आ जाओ. It's not the gym. It's martial arts. Very elite. Okay, and if you have watched the Karate Kid, have you watched Karate Kid? है ना? It's about the mind, right? Isn't that what he's training him in? कि even Gopi Chand says he has an academy for badminton. उसमें 1000 players come to the academy. Did you know that? They live there, which means from the age of 8, they are living in the academy, doing homeschooling or whatever. For what? To be a world champion, right? और उसमें से world champion कितने बनते हैं? 11. 1000 में से 11. Which means 1990 players are never going to make it. So what is the difference? And he says when the Olympic selection come, no, you have in front of you 150 players with equal build, equal stamina and equally good game. So how is he going to select 11 players? The ones who think. Get it? It's the mindset. And that is true in every field. तो martial arts में ना आपको black belt तक पहुंचने के लिए 7 साल लग जाएंगे. How many years? 7. After 7 years, you will break this karate board. तब आके सिखाएंगे. And I'm saying, like I was 13, कुछ experience है नहीं, qualification है नहीं, time भी है नहीं, age भी है नहीं, पर करना है. अगर आपने मन बना लिया कि ठीक है ये 7 साल लगते हैं, ये सब होता है लाइफ में, पर मुझे तो अभी करना है, आपको कौन रोक सकता है? Hello? Okay. So I want 2 volunteers who will come on stage and break this board. And I will show you how. 2 volunteers. Come on, who will... And remember, if you don't raise your hand, and not Mr. Martial Arts. फिर ये बोलेंगे अच्छा इसको तो पता है, खुश को. All right, but you will do it anyway. So I want 2 volunteers. If you don't raise your hand, you're the volunteer. Who's volunteering? Okay, you come. What's your name? आजा. और आते आते एक किसी को खींच लाओ. अच्छा, ऑलरेडी खींच लिया. It's like वैसे भी उसको उठना ही पड़ेगा to come out. Is the third fellow also coming? Okay, come. थोड़ा जल्दी आ जाओ. Hello? Come on stage. So your name is? Huh? Dinesh and Harsh. Please give a big hand for Dinesh and Harsh. Now look, Dinesh and Harsh, इन्होंने ये कभी किया नहीं है और अब ये करेंगे. And after they show you that the board can be broken, you all will do it. So please pay attention. Okay? I'm going to ask you to go out into the foyer, break the board and come back. Okay? तो ऐसा नहीं है कि you're only watching them. It's going to be back at you. So now, to break the board, देखो, आप या तो 7 साल लगा लो या अभी सीख लो. What do you prefer? अभी सीख लो. अभी से शुरू कर दो अपनी जर्नी on the path of success, not 7 years later. Come on. किसने देखा है 7 साल? And after 7 years, you're not going to get this facility. You're not going to get these teachers, these mentors, this management, and you know, whatever extracurricular opportunities you have. वो नहीं मिलेगा. Hello? Okay. So, how you will break this board is, one of you will hold it. Okay? So, okay, one of you will hold it, one of you will break the board. Okay, तो चलो यहाँ पे you can face the audience so they can see. अब board कैसे तोड़ेंगे? उसके लिए important is positioning. Do you think positioning is important to build your brand? Yes. Positioning is important for leadership? Yes. Positioning is important for you to tell that girl I'm the best. सब जगह positioning is crucial, right? So you stand like this. Your left foot forward, bent like this. Come on, दिखाओ. हाँ, मतलब गिरेंगे नहीं, ऐसा नहीं. Okay, like this. Why do you want to stand like this? ताकि your feet are grounded. नहीं तो ऐसे खड़े रहेंगे ना सलमान खान की तरह कुछ नहीं होगा. Alright, you have to take a back step and be grounded. Alright, now you're going to break the board with your hand, right or left? Up to you. Okay, अब कहाँ मारेंगे? You're not going to clap the board. You're not going to chop the board. Okay, show me what's a clap. Clap is like this, chop is like this. ऐसा नहीं करेंगे. You're going to hit the board from only this part of your hand. Everyone touch this. Okay, right here, there's a bone. देखो, है सबका. वो सोच रहे आया नहीं मेरा bone. He's asking his partner, मेरा है नहीं. सबका है. Hello? So this is going to be your point of impact. Got it? Okay. Now, stand, position. Now, elbow out. Everyone show me. Chalo. Elbow out. Now, pretend everyone elbow out because you're going to do it. Now, pretend you have a board in front of you. Okay. Ab board kahan tootega? Which is the weakest point of the board? See, you all are talking from logic. Y'all are not martial art experts. तो इतना क्या है फिर martial arts में? Life always will come down to logic. If it's not making sense, it's not true. Hello? So elbow out. Show. Now look at the center. Show everyone elbow out. Center of the board. Now touch the board. Touch it. तोड़ो मत. Just touch it. Okay? Now withdraw with your body force. देखो आपके हैंड में ना इतना पावर है नहीं कि आप तोड़ देंगे बोर्ड. But you can still use your body force. Okay? So like this. Come on, show them. Now withdraw with your body. ऐसे. Come on, everyone, do it. And now touch. Build momentum. Don't break. Then again, withdraw and touch. Now the last one. Your focus is there. Withdraw with your body. And now show everyone. And now hit the board in the center. See, आप last time जब मारेंगे ना, तो एक में से दो में से एक चीज जरूर होगी. Either the board will break, or your bone will break. तो कुछ तो टूटेगा, right? And you better evaluate that right now. Because only a person who says, ठीक है देखेंगे, will move ahead. नहीं तो इतना डर के बैठ जाएंगे ना कि वो ये टूटेगा, ये होगा, उसका कोई अंत है नहीं. Hello? Did you know Gopi Chand, and I'm talking about him because his book is releasing. He says if you want to be a world champion, no, you have to be okay with getting injured. Correct? You saw the IPL, no? कैसे वो they dive to catch the ball. यहाँ पे तो यहाँ से बाहर चल के नहीं जाते. You have to be okay with getting hurt, bruises and cuts. Because whether you like it or not, somebody will really push you and you'll fall. But you know what? When you're used to it, you will fall also such कि कुछ नहीं होगा. Hello? Okay? अब आप दोनों decide कर लो तोड़ेगा कौन? कौन तोड़ेगा? Harsh will break the board. And look how happy Dinesh is. कि चलो मेरी बला टल गई. ये तोड़ेगा. Okay, which is good. All right. Now Harsh, he's already preparing. See, ये मैंने बोला नहीं. It's logic. It's common sense. Okay? अब Harsh will break the board, but Dinesh will hold it. Now let me teach you how to hold the board. It's very, very simple. Okay? Now, you will hold the board like this. Elbow straight. दिखाओ. Straight करो elbow. Like this. And your thumbs should be up. Okay, like this. If your elbows are a little bent, तो क्या होगा ना, वो जैसे ही हर्ष मारेगा, बोर्ड आएगा आपके ऊपर, because elbows are bent. तो अगर आप ये चाहते हैं, तो bend कर लो. कि बहुत दिन से मार नहीं खाई, अच्छा नहीं लग रहा. Dad is out of town. तो फिर कर लो. Hello? So elbow straight, thumbs like this. Show me thumbs up. If your thumbs are bent, then you'll need new thumbs also. Hello? Now, the board should be chin level. Now, first tell me, where is your chin? ये है chin, chin level. Okay, इस level पे board आएगा. तो मतलब आपके मुंह के level पे आना ही नहीं चाहिए board. Now, what if Harsh was very tall? He can't adjust the board to Dinesh's face. You adjust your height to the board. Get it? Hello? All right. So, now, show me how you'll hold the board, Dinesh. अब देखो, मुझसे एक्सपेक्टेशन है, आई एम प्रिटेंडिंग टू बी हर्ष, मुझसे एक्सपेक्टेशन है बोर्ड तोड़ेगी. अब आई एम कमिटेड, मैं तो करना चाहती हूँ, पर मेरे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं दिनेश, जो देखो बोर्ड ऐसे पकड़ के खड़े हैं. Now I can't go back and say, yes, it's all Dinesh's fault, look at him and blah, blah, blah. See, if you become a complaint monger, you will never be a leader, you'll never be an entrepreneur, you'll never be a brand. You will be known as a cry baby. Take charge means you go and say, Dinesh, thoda pakadna barabar se, come here, face me. Now, aise khade honge. I am only telling him, it's not my job. Hello? I am telling him, Baba, ठीक से खड़े हो नहीं तो तेरे को लगेगी. That's leadership. That is what a corporate is looking for. You all are going to go out to Ernst & Young, to Coke, to whatever it is, wherever you want to go, they are looking for leadership. Hello? Qualification सबकी वही है. Imagine Gopi Chand is saying, ये सारे एक ही body के हैं, almost एक ही height के हैं, तो मैं select किसको करूँगा? जो बोल रहा है भैया ठीक से, come no Dinesh. See, already he started talking to Harsh. All right, then elbow bend, हाँ, थोड़ा सीधा, perfect. Is it chin level? Yeah, मतलब इतना ही है, ठीक है, ये ठीक है, मतलब मुंह पे नहीं आना चाहिए. That's why. Now you hold it very hard. नहीं तो अगर आप हल्के से पकड़ेंगे और मैं तोड़ दूंगी, तो एक जाके इनके सर पे पड़ेगा. फिर वो बोलेंगे मैंने क्या किया, मैं तो बैठा था. ऐसा ही होता है, अगर आप ठीक से नहीं करेंगे ना काम, तो तीसरे को पड़ेगी. All right, so ready? Okay, now you're going to stand Harsh. आप इतनी दूर खड़े रहेंगे, जोर से पकड़ो. हाँ, perfect. देख लिया कि दम लगा के पकड़ा, पूरा मेरा बॉडी वेट इस पे है. ओके, ये नहीं उधर से दौड़े दौड़े आए. ओके, डोंट कम रनिंग एंड चार्ज. यू आर गोइंग टू स्टैंड एट दिस डिस्टेंस. सी माई पोजिशन, आप भी पोजिशन बनाओ. ठीक है, ये किसकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है? मेरी. नाउ यू गो 1. ओके, जोर से पकड़ो. देन 2 and the third one with all your body force you go and break it. I was not going to do it. Now please welcome Harsh. Look at his preparation. Phone away. That is leadership. कि मुझे कोई distraction नहीं चाहिए. Okay, उसको photo खींचनी है. Okay, all right. Harsh, ready? You'll hold very tight, huh, Dinesh? Okay? I like it. He's making his own adjustments. Okay, ठीक है, इतने पे ठीक है, all right? थोड़ा और पास आ जाओ, हाँ. Very tight, huh? 2 and... Oh my God! That is awesome! And you have a hero! Let me ask you a question. चलो छोड़ो ये martial arts expert नहीं है. इनका attitude देख के, how many of you knew तोड़ेगा? Look at that. मतलब qualification है ही नहीं, experience भी है ही नहीं, पर attitude solid है. मतलब you would think कि ये तो है ही बना हुआ expert. Okay, so that was awesome. Now tell me, Harsh was able to break the board. Number one reason, because why? Why was he able to break it? Confidence, because? Okay, a lot of you are saying the words. You're all right. That is important. But life में ना आपका confidence is not enough. There are so many people who have so much talent, so much confidence, पर उनको अच्छी partnership नहीं मिल रही. कोई आगे बढ़ाने के लिए नहीं मिल रहा. Did you know, because Dinesh was holding it perfectly well, he was able to break it. So big hand for Dinesh. You know Steve Jobs, right? Steve Jobs didn't make it alone. He made it because of, what was his name? His name was not Dinesh. Yeah, but I understand what you mean. Bill Gates had? Hey, Paul Allen. You know, Sachin Bansal Chalo of Flipkart had? Hey, you all need to start reading. Binny Bansal. It's a partnership. मतलब वो तब they make it, all right? So very well done. Please give the two gentlemen a hand. आप इधर आए, आपने ये किया. So I have a gift for you. It's my book. Thank you very much. Okay. Give it to me. I'll keep it. Now, ठीक है. You can go back. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Hello. Now, you all will get a board. Okay? तो आप एक board अपने हाथ में लेंगे. अभी नहीं. Hello. And you will step outside. देखो यहाँ पे जगह नहीं है, नहीं तो एक दूसरे को मारेंगे आप. और कई लोगों ने already spot भी कर लिया किसको मार रहे हैं. Hello. तो you will go outside. Now one of you, hello. You select your partners अभी. अभी select कर लो और हाथ दिखाओ, पकड़ के हाथ दिखाओ. All of you select your partners and show me the hands. आपकी row में show me the hands. Who is your partner? Okay, done. अभी 3-3 हाथ मत पकड़ो. Okay, hello. All right. So you will select your partner. You will take one board. Each one will carry one board and go outside. First, you get into position. Make sure your partner is also in position, is holding the board correctly and at chin level. Then you come 1, 2 और 3 पे ही मारना है. अगर over confidence है पहले पे ही टूटेगा तो भी 3 बार give yourself the momentum. Because जिसने board पकड़ा है ना वो डर जाएगा नहीं तो छोड़ देगा आपको. Hello. Now, third time when you hit, the board breaks. Very good. Tell your partner, thank you. Get into the habit of empowering people. See, आप आज thank you बोलोगे ना, वो कल भी आपको support करेंगे. But you say it's okay. He'll never work with you again. Then you hold the board and your partner will break it. Get it? So each one will break the board and hold the board. Understood? अब अगर आपका board नहीं टूटा, it's okay. Leave it. Don't get angry and start smashing it. I have responsibility of your hands only for one time. Still tell the fellow, thank you, well tried. Then you hold the board and allow him to break it. Got it? Okay? Now, we are going to step out, break the board or not break it and come right back in. ठीक है? चलिए, come. Okay. This row will go this side and this row will go this side. चलिए, everybody get up. Like satsang, left वाले left में जाओ, right वाले right में जाओ. And in 5 minutes, everybody will be back. Chaliye. The boards are under your chairs. Huh? The boards are under your chairs. Please take the board. Sudhir? Very quickly, you will do the activity and come right back in. ये एक ही यही front से ही दरवाजा है? पीछे से भी है ना? No? हाँ? अच्छा, okay. He's saying the cameras are set at the back. ठीक है, no problem. So the last 2 rows can do it here only. You'll have enough place. And if some of you wish, you can come on the stage also and do it. हाँ, come, you can do it here. हाँ, जाओ. All right, the people outside, please start. Are they here? This is like the deplaning in the aircraft. Okay, start with your partner. Start. Why are you all standing? Chalo, let's begin. Let's begin, everybody. हाँ, one person hold, one person breaks. Very good. Wow. Say thank you. Say thank you to your partner. Can you tell them to get started? Chaliye, let's begin. One of you hold the board, the other person will break it. So let's start. One of you hold, one will break it. Chalo, let's begin. One will hold, one will break. Chalo. हाँ, let's start. Chalo ji. Okay, let's start. Here only do it. One person will hold. Come on, who's your partner? All of you start. One will hold. Who will break? Who's your partner? तो आप पकड़ो. Come, you break it. Come. Come on, let's do. Chalo, let's start with your partner. All right, let's start. Perfect. Very good. Who's your partner? You take him. Perfect. Can I go by? Very good. Sorry. Wow, awesome. Chalo, start. Come on, start. Very good. अच्छा ये तोड़ के आ गए. Y'all did it? You don't have the board. We have here in the. ये देखो ले गए सारे. We have more. Come. Very good. That's awesome. Oh, thank you. All right, I can see people. All the people outside, chalo, you can do it very quickly.
Settle down, guys, at the back.
Wow. I like how everybody is bringing their broken pieces inside of the boards, are not bones. Here you go.
Thank you so much.
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you.
Most welcome.
I think please try. Okay. Yes, thank you for coming. Thank you.
All right, I can see some happy faces coming inside. और यहाँ पे भी एक मार्शल आर्ट्स. ये तो इतने प्यार से आपने तोड़ दिया. As if every day he does this at home. All right, I can see people with boards coming, broken boards coming inside. A lot of girls with broken boards coming. वो वहाँ पे तो इस साइड में तो पूरी कराटे क्लास शुरू हो गई है. Very good. Could you call them in if they are done? Everyone is in? Now you also come in. All right. Your hand is okay? Your, what's his name? Your hand is okay? Show what you were showing him. दिख भी नहीं रहा है, कुछ तो है. It's okay. है ना? If somebody says कि देखो अभी somebody asks you क्या हुआ, तो उसे कराटे बोर्ड तोड़ा है. It's worth it. नहीं तो वो कोई पूछेगा क्या हुआ, कांटा चुभा है. ये I tell you, there's a heavy duty karate class over there. अगर टूट गया तो आ जाओ, सिखाओ मत. Some of them have become karate teachers also outside. All right, are they all done? Okay. Hello? I can see some happy faces. So how many of you broke the board? Oh my God, let's give everybody a big hand. That's not a big hand. Big hand. Awesome. Very good. You know, there were these two girls here on the stage who were trying to break the board. कहाँ है वो? There were two girls here. एक से टूटा नहीं था. Where is she? हाँ. Who didn't break? हाँ. You. What's your name? Huh? Bhavya. You know, Bhavya was breaking the board so sweetly. कि कहीं टूटे ना. Yeah. So cutely she hit it with apologetically. And then looking at it, lagi to nahi na, please. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, that's perfectly okay. See, the idea is that if you really wanted to, could you break it? If you really wanted to. You broke it, right? फिर क्या हुआ वो martial arts training का, that physical fitness, that qualification, that age, that time, all that is true. अच्छी बात है. वो भी करना चाहिए now to rise to expertise. But because you're not an expert, because you're not there, it doesn't mean you can't do something, right? Hello? And see, life में ना कभी भी ना मत बोलना. If I say, who will do it? Now imagine this. I have got about 160 boards. Okay? मैं लेके क्यों आई हूँ? क्योंकि I know that जिसने सोच लिया वो तोड़ देगा. Correct? अगर मौका, ये बाहर अभी तक टूट रहा है. ये कौन तोड़ रहा है अब? अच्छा, the senior students have taken the half broken boards and they're breaking the half ones also. कि ये जूनियर ने इतना बड़ा तोड़ा, अब मैं इसका और छोटा तोड़ूंगा. So, yeah, it's okay. Come. Hello? So, the point is that while, what was I saying? You tell me before I got distracted. Whenever an opportunity comes to you, say yes. You know why? Because opportunity will only come to you. मौका तभी आएगा जब मौके को भरोसा है आप पे. नहीं तो पूछ लो दुनिया से, बोलते हैं मौका नहीं मिल रहा, ये भरोसा नहीं आ रहा. Hello? So if somebody here has got 160 boards for 160 students, it means I know कि अभी हमारी जान पहचान हुई नहीं है, I don't know you, पर इतना भरोसा है in your age, in your thinking, in your spirit, in this environment where you have also come by qualification, that ये कर लेंगे. So say yes. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या होगा? इतनी सी लगेगी. Where is that fellow? वो इतना सा दिखा रहे थे, उतना ही हुआ ना. Did the bone break? Did it break? रिस्क था, है. आपकी हड्डी टूटने का रिस्क है, इससे नहीं. कितने लोगों की हड्डी बाहर टूट रही है, राइट? हेलो. But they never did anything significant. If you must risk losing doing something that you love. अगर थप्पड़ ही खाना है ना तो उससे खा लो, कोई बात नहीं. Hello? You follow? Right? Versus ऐसे ही time pass and so on and so forth. So did you like doing it? Yes. So what does it mean to you? आपने कराटे बोर्ड तोड़ा without any qualification. Like I started at 13 without any qualification. You don't need permission. What does it mean to you? Anybody would like to say what it means to you? One brave soul. What's your name? You. Somebody will give her the mic. Say your name also. Here, her.
Sonalika, we can start whenever we want.
Whenever you want. The key word is you want. Whenever. See, मैं बोल के थक सकती हूँ like your mother. I may be her age also. कि करो ऐसे ठीक है. Because you don't want to. But the day you want to, कोई नहीं रोक सकता. Yes, somebody wants to say something? Mic लो ना.
मैम विल पावर
उसका मतलब समझाओ.
मैम एक विल होनी चाहिए ना कि करना है तो करना ही है, विदाउट गिविंग एनी एक्सक्यूजेस. बहुत सारे हम देते हैं लाइक यू सेड कि कंप्लेन करना दूसरों को कि वो उसकी गलती थी. हम खुद पे लेके वो चीज़ ये भी बोल सकते हैं कि हमसे नहीं हुआ, वी कैन ट्राई अगेन.
या दैट्स अ ग्रेट एटीट्यूड ना. मुझसे नहीं हुआ, मैं फिर से कोशिश करूंगा. यस. व्हाट्स योर नेम?
मैम ऋतिक भारद्वाज. वेरी गुड. एनीबडी एल्स वुड लाइक टू से? Yes.
Ma'am, we always underestimate ourselves. That in the first, I thought that I cannot do it. Like I did it.
हाँ, ऐसे लगता है मुझसे नहीं होगा. ये ना हर्ष कुछ खा के आया होगा, डबल खाया होगा उसने खाना. हर्ष कर सकता है, मैं नहीं कर सकता. राइट. बट डोंट अंडर एस्टिमेट योर सेल्फ. आप अगर यहाँ आए हैं ना तो मुझे भरोसा है. बाहर वालों पे नहीं है, दूसरी क्लास वालों पे भरोसा नहीं है, आप पे है. Because you're sitting here, I can see your eyes. Otherwise, I would go to Ravi sir, who is not here. Yeah, I would go to him, sir. नहीं हो पाएगा इनसे, छोड़ो. Because अच्छा नहीं लगता ना कि मैं boards लाऊं और आप ना तोड़े. What kind of inspiration is that? Imagine, right? So I had rather quit and not bring you the opportunity. Don't underestimate yourself. If somebody is believing in you, say thank you God. किसी को तो भरोसा आया. कोई बात नहीं. करूँगा, नहीं होगा एक और बार करूँगा, नहीं होगा एक और बार करूँगा. 7 साल हैं आपके पास ब्लैक बेल्ट बनने के लिए. Okay, one more person wanted to say yes.
Ma'am, risk taking is the basic thing we have to do. Risk is everywhere. जब तक हम रिस्क नहीं लेंगे तब तक हम आगे नहीं बढ़ सकते.
करेक्ट. और क्या इसमें रिस्क था आपका हाथ टूटने का? था? नहीं था, क्योंकि मैं हूँ यहाँ पे. See, imagine अगर आपका हाथ टूट जाए तो मेरा जॉब चले जाएगा. Tomorrow I have one more workshop. Imagine the client will ask me, Priya, पिछले workshop में कितने गए? And I say, sir, 3-4 हाथ टूटे. You think they'll hire me? They'll say, are you crazy? Can you break your hand? No, not on my time. Not till 4:45. उसके बाद possible. Hello? So you also have to see कि आपके साथ जुड़े कौन हुए हैं. Who is standing on the stage? Who is standing behind you? Who is standing on your left and right? अगर उन पे थोड़ा भरोसा है ना तो आपका risk is already less. And if somebody is willing to say, I'm with you, I want you to succeed in life, say लिख के दे दो. And I will now, you tell me what you want me to do, I will do that. And I tell you, as an organization here, as an institution here, they are committed to make you successful. आप लिख के ले लो, फिर लिखो, I will do anything. You tell me what. And look at the batch that will go out of here. हाँ, एक और he wanted to say yes. नहीं, मैं ऐसे ही आपका नाम लिया.
Ma'am, according to me, it's basically about Ma'am Rudraksh Chauhan.
See, you're building a brand. नाम तो बताओ.
Ma'am
Instagram handle तो बताओ. हाँ.
Rudy Chauhan.
What? What's your Instagram handle?
Rudy Chauhan.
और नाम क्या है?
रुद्राक्ष चौहान.
Now imagine Justin Bieber's handle is Justin Bieber, not JB. JB भी है fan club. हाँ. Yes, Rudy.
For me, it's basically belief system. ये जो mind है ये बहुत powerful है. It can make you, it can break you. For me, मैंने काफ़ी टाइम मतलब चीज़ें सीख के मैं वर्कशॉप्स पहले भी लेता था. डॉक्टर विवेक बिंद्रा, उनकी वजह से वो हमेशा ये बात बोलते हैं, ये जो माइंड है ये बहुत पावरफुल है. इट कैन मेक यू, इट कैन ब्रेक यू, इट कैन बी एन होप मेंटली स्ट्रॉन्ग, यू कैन बी मेंटली स्ट्रॉन्ग और स्ट्रांगली मेंटल, और इट कैन बी एन होपलेस एंड और मे बी एन एंडलेस होप.
तो इनका नाम लिख लो. या बातें बहुत अच्छी करते हैं, विच इज़ अ वेरी प्लस साइन. यस, तो टेल मी हाउ डज दिस अप्लाई इन योर लाइफ. आप मुझे अपनी
लाइफ में या दूसरों की लाइफ में भी मैं दोनों बता सकता हूँ. मैं पास्ट भी बता सकता हूँ और फ्यूचर भी बता सकता हूँ.
वेरी गुड.
प्लीज
फॉलो हिज इंस्टाग्राम.
इन्हीं चीजों पे मतलब एक मैं आपको इंसिडेंट बताता हूँ. कैन आई स्टैंड अप? मैं खड़ा हो जाऊँ? हाँ. एक आज से कुछ 3 से 4 साल पहले की बात है. एक लड़की थी, लखनऊ जा रही थी अपने होम टाउन.
आपके साथ?
नहीं, मैं मेरे साथ नहीं.
अपनी बताओ ना, अपनी कहानी
बताओ तो
है ना. अपनी कहानी बताओ. आप कहाँ जा रहे थे?
मैं जा रहा था.
अब देखो, हाँ वो लड़की लगने में मैं जा रहा था. आई लाइक दैट.
तो मैं जा रहा था, तो फिर क्या हुआ
अब देखो टोन ही चेंज हो गया जब मैं जा रहा था. हाँ.
तो ऐसी हाय हेलो हुई, बातचीत हुई. तो फिर
अच्छा, वो लखनऊ वाली लड़की से?
ओके. तो मैं स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग कि कहाँ से हो, कहाँ से, कब, कैसे. तो मैं अपनी मदर के साथ था, तो मैंने उससे पूछा कि
थैंक्स फॉर द डिटेल.
तो मैंने बात स्टार्ट की. तो मैं बहुत शाय था उस टाइम पे, एंड आई वाज लिटिल बिट कॉन्फिडेंस काफ़ी कम था. मैं बोल भी नहीं पाता था लोगों से. तो मैंने ना चीज़ों को सीखा कि अगर कोई इंसान मेहनत कर रहा है तो वो मेहनत करके ही आगे जाएगा. तो उन चीज़ों में मैं आगे देखा, मैंने सीखा मैं क्यों इतना लोगों से बोल नहीं पाता था, क्यों बात नहीं कर पाता. तो मैंने सीखी कि एक चीज़ से ना जब कोई इंसान बाहर निकलता है तो उस चीज़ों को ना सीख लेता है. कि टीचर बता रहे हैं कि गलती यहाँ करिए, तुमने इससे आगे सीखो. लोग क्या करते हैं कि गलती को भूल जाते हैं कि हाँ कर लेंगे, उस गलती को नोटिस नहीं करते. ओके ठीक है, खुद ठीक हो जाएगी. वो खुद ठीक नहीं होती, उसे खुद ठीक करना पड़ता है, और वो वक्त के साथ होती है. अब लोग उसमें कहेंगे वक्त हमारा बुरा है, हम क्या कर लेंगे, हो गया बुरा तो हो गया. अब लोग आगे पे डाल देते हैं वक्त के साथ होगा, सही हो जाएगा, नहीं होगा तो नहीं होगा. भाई अभी सही कर लो, क्या पता बाद में और अच्छा हो जाए.
एग्जैक्टली
मेरा मानना ये है. अब एक और स्टोरी थी इसके पीछे. एक लड़की थी, आप लोगों ने नाम सुना होगा उसका, अरुणिमा सिन्हा. किसने नाम सुना है? अरुणिमा सिन्हा. किसी को स्टोरी याद है? उसने क्या थी वो, किसी को याद है? क्या याद है?
No, he is not going to tell you the story now.
नहीं, मैं पूछ रहा हूँ कि फिर क्या पता है, कुछ भी लिटिल बिट कुछ. हाँ, माउंटेन क्लाइम किया था, उससे पहले क्या था, उसकी स्टोरी पता है कुछ?
What you are saying thank you for?
उसकी स्टोरी वगैरह कुछ पता है? हाँ, वॉलीबॉल प्लेयर थी ना मैम. वो अपने होम टाउन जा रही थी, तो क्या हुआ, रास्ते में कुछ स्नैकर्स जो भी थे, रॉबरी वगैरह जो भी थी, उसकी सब चीज़ें छीन के उसके रेलवे ट्रेन से बाहर फेंक दिया. तो जब वो ट्रैक पे थी, रात का समय था, मिडनाइट 3 o'clock 4 o'clock, उसे फेंक दिया. तो 22 ट्रेन उसके पैरों से पास अवे होगी पूरी प्रॉपर. 22 ट्रेन रात में उसे बाहर फेंक दिया. और फिर क्या हुआ मैम, सुबह जब रेलवे डिपार्टमेंट को पता लगा, इमरजेंसी भेजी, सब चीज़ हुई, तो उसे उठा के हॉस्पिटल पहुंचाया गया. हॉस्पिटल जाए, उसे होश आया 2-3 दिन बाद. उसने एक बात सोची, बैठे बैठे सोच रही थी वो कि यार भगवान ने मुझे दूसरी लाइफ दी है तो कुछ करने के लिए दिया है, तो अब मैं माउंट एवरेस्ट चढ़ जाऊंगी. उसने सिर्फ लिटरली ये लाइन बोली थी, और वो उसने बहुत प्रिपरेशन करी. 3 साल उसने जो यहाँ से न्यूयॉर्क गई लेग्स वगैरह के लिए, काफ़ी बहुत चीज़ें करी. और मैं वो लिटरली वो कहते ना कि सबसे अच्छे टाइम पे माउंट एवरेस्ट चढ़ गई थी.
That's very nice. And very nice. Thanks, Rudraksh. Rudy. What's your Instagram handle again?
Rudy Chauhan 09.
Rudy Chauhan
000.
000. Very nice, huh? For more stories, please check his Instagram. Yeah, he has.
My stories नहीं है.
अच्छा, अभी नहीं है.
अभी नहीं है.
See?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes,
Thank you.
thank you, Rudy. See, I'm just going to take his the story that he said. You know, don't wait for that second chance in life. क्योंकि बहुत लोगों को ना वो second chance नहीं मिलता है. Don't wait for hardships to happen. You start now. Okay, if you broke the karate board without any formal training, that's a message to you. Okay, so before I leave, I must tell you that even though you're 16, 17 years old, yeah, look at the kind of attention you've given. नहीं तो कोई नहीं सुनता है, नहीं सुनते हैं ना हम, नहीं तो अगर सुन भी रहे हैं तो left and right is active. It's one way flow. मतलब बीच में कुछ टिका नहीं. And when you listen like this, no, it tells me that you want to do something. आप अपनी मर्जी से आए हैं, आप अपनी चाह से आए हैं, because your vision is for the future. So I'm going to leave you with the story. Okay, so the story is about this little boy who was fed up with the mother and a guruji. Okay, तो उनकी माँ को उनसे कुछ भी काम कराना होता था, क्या पढ़ना है, किधर जाना चाहिए, and so on. She would go to this Pandit ji sitting under the banyan tree. And this little boy was like, I can make decisions in my life. Why do you have to consult people? Ask me, correct? मुझसे तो पूछो तुम क्या चाहते हो. और जिस दिन किसी ने पूछ लिया ना, तुम क्या चाहते हो, उस दिन बताओ. Don't say, That's it, be ready with the answer. So he was fed up. So he said this Guruji is fake. Because वो क्या बताएंगे, मैं उनसे एक सवाल पूछूंगा और उनके पास जवाब ही नहीं होगा. And he challenged the village. I'm going to ask the Panditji one question. That's it. So the stage was set. The whole village gathered. कि ऐसा क्या सवाल पूछेगा ये 17 साल का लड़का जो पंडित जी के पास जवाब ही नहीं है. Okay? So while he was going and everybody was curious to see that what kind of question it would be. So while he was going, he was walking with his friend. And his friend Rudy asked him कि ऐसा क्या सवाल है तेरा? So he said, look, मेरी जेब में है एक hummingbird. Have you seen a hummingbird? It's the smallest bird in the world. Okay? So he took out the hummingbird. It was tied. Okay? बोलता है देख ये hummingbird है मेरे हाथ में. मैं पीछे रखूँगा और पूछूँगा कि पंडित जी पूरे वर्ल्ड ज्ञानी tell me मेरे हाथ में एक चिड़िया है वो जिंदा है या मरी है? अगर वो बोलेगा जिंदा है तो I will kill it and say मरी है. अगर वो बोलेगा it's dead, then I'll say sorry, it is alive. It's a catch-22, means this way also I'll catch you, that way also I'll catch you. Okay, he said brilliant, this is brilliant. So he goes to the Pandit ji and he has a bird in his hand, and then the Pandit ji says पूछिए पूरा गांव उधर है. तो he says पंडित जी मेरे हाथ में एक चिड़िया है, बताइए जिंदा है कि मुर्दा है? So the Pandit ji thought about it a little and smiled. He said बेटा तुम्हारे हाथ में जो चिड़िया है वो जिंदा है या मरी है वो तुम्हारे हाथ में है. Now look, you've come here with dreams, you've come here with hopes, you've come here for your life. Now whether that will happen or not happen is in your hands. You decide, you got up, you took the action और हो गया ना, कुछ ऐसा बुरा हुआ नहीं, right? And this environment, I will remind you again, ये फिर नहीं मिलेगा. You will not have so many people standing up for you, directing you and saying, बताओ आगे क्या करना है? We are here to bring you the right facilities. Take full advantage of the fact that you are enrolled in this curriculum and in this institution. So I must tell you, you have been such a wonderful audience. Mogambo खुश हुआ. You have no idea who Mogambo is. That's your second research after Mungeri Lal. All right, so thank you very, very much. Thank you, sir, for inviting me. You all are amazing. Thank you. Over to you.
Hello.
Hi.
See, this goes with her. Hello. Hi. Well, I think this lesson or session has left me, ma'am, just 2 minutes of yours. With that board here, if we can have the board static. So I think this lesson and session leaves us with a lot of what ifs in mind. What if she did not recognize that picture in the newspaper and drawn the mustaches to understand if his dad or her dad looked like a Hitler? What if this story wouldn't have created? What if the dad was not like that, though I'm very curious to meet him and see him now? What if she wouldn't have taken those 1900 students? We wouldn't be listening to her here. And what if she wouldn't have taken just one lesson? If I can just turn the page. Yeah, I was intrigued to put more attention there. One thing, if you all can draw your attention to one focus. Which one? I'll show it. Read. I think that is one thing which we all should, rather everyone sitting here, inclusive of the faculties, coordinators and students, to take is read. I think you are here because you read. And she's read to that extent that for these 3 hours, none of us even blinked our eyes and all our attention was here. Utmost gratitude towards you, and thank you so much for your presence on behalf of our students. I think we all enjoyed the session. Yes. A big round of standing ovation, I think, if we can have. Thank you so much, ma'am, and I think we would love to have a very continued presence and association with you in future as well. Thank you so much. Thank you.